Hi everyone, today is a quick vlog to just give you an update on what I've been up to during my absence to recover from my injury. So I hope you enjoy today's vlog and sit back and get a cup of tea and enjoy it. Before Christmas, everything seems to be fine. I was doing well with my outfits planning and doing all my vlogs and long form videos, and then went to Battersea Power Station, had a shoot there. It was such a beautiful day. After the shoot, had dinner at the Steak and Sushi. It was such a lovely evening. And then life just progresses as usual. I was doing my daily vlogs for my OOTDs and enjoying my little leopard fur coat. And then one day we went to London to pick up my Zara coat, and also I wore the little fur coat with my barrel leg jeans from Uniqlo. And then afterwards we went to this Uga restaurant, had the most delicious kebab and rice dish. Afterwards we went to the Rosewood Hotel, had a lovely drink there, and there was loads of Christmas decorations around in the hotel, and I had lovely gin, and it's a Japanese gin. And the Rosewood Hotel is still very beautiful. You can see that those magical Christmas trees. It was a lovely evening. And then hell broke out. That's the day I broke my ribs, and it was such a horrific experience, but during which my recovery, my two cats kept me company, gave me endless comfort throughout my recovery. And Christmas was almost a void for us. We didn't put up any Christmas decorations this year because I wasn't able to. But on Christmas Day I made some effort, took out some of the lovely crockeries and cutleries, laid at the table. But food was very basic this year. We just had roast duck and some soup, and then that was it. And then between Christmas and New Year, we went to the Savoy Hotel to celebrate our wedding anniversary. We got married before Christmas, so that's what time we usually celebrate our anniversaries. But because this year we just basically drove there and parked a car there and went into the restaurant at the Savoy Grill and had a lovely dinner there. And so this is the outfit I was wearing. I tried to make an effort, but it was very uncomfortable and feeling really painful with the injured area. But I did try to make an effort just to show my face and have some spirit of this sort of a festive season. We had a lovely meal there, and afterwards we went to the American bar, had a drink, and then we just headed home. And then we had the first snow, and the few days was very cold, so I thought, let's go into the garden, just film some winter outfit, wearing my long faux fur coat and pretend that I was somewhere in the Alps and skiing. But anyways, I enjoyed it. And then those few days were still very cold, so I did my all white and outfits to reminiscing those winter spirits. And so I really love this look, and it was relaxed, chilled, but very glamorous at the same time. And then at the beginning of January I went to have my hair done to give myself sort of an uplift, because I was feeling really low and really down. So doing my hair, and it was a really lovely thing to do. So I walked around in Covent Garden and then had some lovely dim sum at the dim sum library. That was that. And then my birthday was in January, so we went out to celebrate my birthday. We went to the Angler in the city, had the most delicious meal there, and I really enjoyed it. And again, it was just a very quick out, and we got there and had a meal and went home straight away because I was very tiring. And then the day after my birthday I went shopping because I need to treat myself for something. So I ventured out to Harrods and had a shop there and looked around, and then afterwards I went to Cedric Growley to have some lovely cakes and it was a nice day out. Again, I was very tired, but I thoroughly enjoyed every moment of it. And then I went out with a friend and took some lovely pictures, and wearing the Frankie Shop a lovely white coat that I've bought before my injury, and I never got a chance to wear it, so that was the first outing. I love this look, black and white, very simple. And then had delicious cakes at Nicholas Uzel at the Connaught Hotel. And then another day we went to this lovely Japanese restaurant called Kokin, had a delicious lunch there. It was so beautiful, and enjoyed some sake and highballu, and that's the outfit I was wearing, and cream neutral tones. We really enjoyed our lunch there. From here, just a collection of my outfits that I've been wearing lately, and they're mostly having these little furry coats because I have a thing for furry coats in the winter, and I just love them. So you can see there's different varieties: long, short, and leopard, and sheepskin, and then Mongolian sheepskin, and faux furs, and tonal ones. I've been wearing them with jeans a lot, and wearing them with my favorite leopard jeans. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy this collection of outfit, and I see you soon. I will do a long form video very soon, I promise. Bye.